Here the Hero 10 with the regular lens on there. And then I'm gonna review this. There's so much reflection, you basically can't see it, I guess. So let's open it up. It's so sealed, it's nuts. There it is. So, good for you to know. So we are going to the GoPro Hero and it's 8K. Nice. So let's open this thing up and take a peek inside. Where does it open? Here. Oh, look now. There it goes. Look at that. See the unseen. Look. So, what do we have? Oh, this is an ND32. ND32. And a polarizer filter, right? ND8. ND16, and this is the 4. No, that's 64. ND64, this is pretty dark, right? ND16, 8, 32. So 4 is the 8. 8 it is. 8 nano X. This one here. You can see through this. You can see through it. You see that? Where the 64 you can't. Look, the 64 is so dark. So we do this one here. Okay, now this one then requires to take the whole thing off here. And you put the whole thing back on and see this is one piece. It cannot fall off. And you see the CPL setting here. See, you see how you can turn this. That's perfect. And I'm going to do this quick here. Compared to the other cameras I used. So I film again here the box of it. And that's how they look like, those. And you see here the reflections on there. And then let's see. When I twist it, you see how the whole picture changes, right? Look at that. You see this, how it goes through here? See, on the packaging here, you do have, it's like weird looking there, and then you can turn the polarization away here like this, and then you can read it nicely here. You know? So that polarizer filter works. So I'm going here to my solar panel again, like this the best, and using the polarizer filter. So the sky is reflected in it, and then when we do the polarizer filter in the right position, then it's not anymore. So now I can film here where this looks nice and there's no reflection on it. Alright, Lucy. I wonder how the dark changes when we do reflections. So, more clarity. That's what it is. Okay, we go over here and then we have to readjust. It's all about the angles. I need this in my car windshield too if you need to.